Good morning, guys. Last night I have internet problem, connections, and I will register the stream today. This morning it's 9 o'clock, and we can start with Bitcoin, and after that we will see some market analyzed. Bitcoin we start weekly. On the weekly charts we are on the same exponential moving average 89, which is action like support. We see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no, 8, 9 candles weekly close, and this 89 is still reacting in this area. We have this zone act like support all the time, and after that if we lose this 89 for sure, we can go to the next exponential moving average, this area 144. So losing here, we can go this, or we can try this zone, which we have this demand area, this 144. If we take a look at indicators, we have MACD, which is pretty close early, but because this rejection of prices wanted to cross down, and this is bad thing if at the end of the week will remain crossed down, or can create a divergence here and then price can bounce. Stochastic is continue to go down. RSI try to do a pivot in this area. We see it's only start the week yesterday, and we'll see what will happen. If we go at 5 days, we can see we play in the same pattern here. So we see how this zone reacted like last support. We didn't break down, but normally this is have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 came back. In the normal this is a bearish pattern, so I'm looking to break down. If we go at 3 days, we can see that showing that we are in the same area of support, exponential moving average and moving average 200, both of them they are reacting like a support. Came here first time, rejected, came here first time, supported, and now came back here supported. But all the time you get rejection. 21 exponential moving for 89, 55, 434, and price came the same way. So even if you take a look at these levels, you have 377 and 610 exponential, which all the time will react like a support areas. If we go at 2 days, we see we have this 377 exponential average, which react 1, 2 times, and probably the price, if not pump it, will come and test it again, this $36,000. If we go at daily, we can see this 610 reacted like a support. We see stochastics cross it yesterday with the pump of the stock, came and recrossed, and we have here a divergence. We have a full divergence here, and it's a possibility that also MACD will recross, but need some volume to break all these exponential moving average, because each of them they will continue to react like resistance. We saw here 55 reaction with 89 price get rejected. We saw here when our play was still this 200 moving average. So we will play step by step, sell to this exponential and buy back if it is gaining playing like scalp, or we will see where this, if they will lose, if price will lose support, we will short this market. If we go at 4 hours, we saw yesterday that RSI made a full divergence, and after that price step in and play very good after touch this support and demand area with a bull divergence on RSI. Price start to run, and also we have it also on stochastic divergence. If we will have a reset of this 1 hour, so now we have a pair divergence on RSI, which is playing 1, 2, we will see where this will stop. If we will get a hold of prices, these areas where we have all these exponential moving average with a recross back of stochastic, or maybe will come and recross, or we will have a pivot in the RSI with holding of price here area, also here, or each of these exponential moving average. If we play it, then we can scalp this. See, we have these supply areas. We take the next ones. So price can come to this zone, or can get the rejection and need to go back. If we take a look at dominance, we see we play in this. We have this resistance part, supply area, we have this support. If we get a rejection on this, price can come from doing this as with the trap. We have total 2. Total 2 is just in the same area, with the same play like Bitcoin. Hit it the support, came from this area. If we lose this, we go down. If hold, can go and push it up again. If we go at Bitcoin future, you see Bitcoin future came in the same support area, have here and bouncing, but if we lose this, it will come in this area here. If we hold, we push back. we see index data showing the USDT market that came in this, hold couple of days, and after that go down, starting to reset it with 2, 3, and 4 April when Bitcoin start to dump. Regarding the stocks, yesterday we saw the pump of the stocks, and we say from beginning of April, end of March, if we break this, supply will continue, if not we will come down. And yesterday touched this demand zone together with Bitcoin, because this SPY is going hand in hand. It's supposed to go hand in hand, and stock is going 99% hand in hand with Bitcoin. Pump it, and we saw this also on the Bitcoin, that Bitcoin was pumped. If we check also Ethereum, we have the same, and we say in Ethereum that if Bitcoin, if we break this supply zone, then we can continue to this 3,824, but couldn't break it, and after that price down, came down and hit this level. And if this demand area will not hold, then we will see, like also Bitcoin, all of them, they can come. So thank you very much, and I wish you all good.